Okay, so hi dear Aquarius, very good evening to you guys. It's a you versus them current energy check-in for all the Aquarius Sun Moon Venus rising. It's a current energy check-in. There's no timeline for this. The roles can be reversed also if it is not resonating, not your story. Want to be a reader like me or want to have personal reading or healing sessions? You can check out the description box. For the same, you will find the links below for the best healing modality of the whole universe. Ho'oponopono masterclass link is given below. It's life changing. Trust me on that, okay? Now let's start. Aquarius, on your side, what we have? From your on your side, we have the Fool card, the Queen of Wands, the Queen of Swords. So you are quite kind of in this energy of moving forward in your life and taking some kind of risk of doing something that you have never done before in this lifetime. Maybe keeping your options open and dealing with multiple energies at the same time. Maybe just working on yourself and not giving a crap about anything else on anyone else. But for sure, you're cutting a lot of people, lot of energies, lot of things out of your life, out of your system that's not aligning with your energies anymore. And at the same time, right now, you are in this adventurous kind of energies of doing something that you have never done before and kind of liking it. Yeah, you're like, okay, I have never, maybe just giving you an example, maybe again dating multiple people at the same time, being open to connecting with multiple energies at the same time and understanding which one is the good one for you, which one is the best one for you, like choosing a table or something. It's like not a bad thing, not a good thing. I'm not saying anything about it. I'm just saying you are very open to exploring things in a totally different way. Just gave you an example, not saying that you are doing it. Come on, relax. And at the same time cutting a lot of crappy things, people, situations out of your life, out of your system, because they are not aligning with your energies, with your newfound adventurous kind of lifestyle. And you're kind of in this energy of, okay, not aligning with me, goodbye, take care. So you're cutting people, situations and things out of your life, out of your system, just like that. And you're not even thinking about it twice. Okay, current energies right now, these are. Okay, let's see the energy attached to you, what they are up to, Aquarius. We have the Two of Pentacles, the Seven of Swords, and the Seven of Cups, right? They're super confused. They don't know what's happening. They just know that you are doing something behind their back and it's not good. So whatever you're doing, it's kind of affecting them on a very deeper level, and they're not able to understand what they should do. So they are trying to do whatever crappy things they can do from their side in order to keep themselves busy and keep themselves happy. But the more they are doing the crappy stuff means doing multiple things at the same time, connecting with multiple energies at the same time, being in a very disturbing kind of energy. You can say being in a very confusion kind of energy, full of confusion. This person is full of confusion about you as well, and otherwise as well. You're very clear about what you want and what you have on your what you have going on. But oh my god, what do you have going on, right? They're super confused about what they want and what is going on in their life, but they know that something is going on behind their back that they are not liking. And so they are trying to cover up this energy of confusion, this energy of oh my god, what's happening, with this energy of, okay, let's do multiple things at the same time and distract ourselves to the level of confusing the hell out of ourselves. This person is confusing me energy with their confusion kind of energy. So they just want to make a fool out of themselves, that everything is okay, everything is fine, they got it all sorted, and they're happy. Bullshit. Let's see for the connection what we have, Aquarius. We have the Eight of Swords and the Seven of Wands, the King of Swords. This connection don't have any kind of potential in any way to work out in a beautiful way. So this connection is extremely toxic, where both of you are stuck on each other to the level of not understanding each other at all. And there are lots of blockages, blockages, lots of ifs and buts, lots of compatibilities issue in the situation. This is the right decision for you to cut this situation out of your life and keep moving ahead, because I don't see any kind of potential in this situation whatsoever, not today, not tomorrow, not in the future. I do see this situation, whenever you guys think about each other or whenever you guys think about connecting with each other on that level, it always create a mental jail kind of a situation. It always create a very rough kind of energy, very stupid kind of energy of what next. Always there is anxiety, always there is stress, always there is ifs and buts. So what's the use of being in this situation? I don't see any potential in the situation whatsoever. So it's good for you to leave the situation as it is and move ahead. Wow. So thank you so much for tuning in, Aquarius. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. God bless you. Namaste.